Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Iron Cafe in Fish It Game of Roblox new classic event update. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the classic cave and you're going to find this area. These are three fishes that you need to catch to unlock the Iron Cafe. Okay, the first one is the Builders Club fish, and I've already catched this fish, so I'm gonna search. Okay, this one. You're going to hold this fish and you're going to place it here. Okay, and we're going to move to the next fish, Turbo Club Manfish. I'm going to search for it. Okay, this one, and I'm going to place the fish here. Okay, and the last one, celebrated fish. I also have catched this fish. Okay, if you want to catch them, guys, you can go to the fishing spot of the classic cave, or you can catch them at the classic island. Okay, then now the iron cafe has been unlocked. Then we can fish there to get the disco fish. Again, this is the Iron Cafe, and this is the fishing spot of the Iron Cafe. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Iron Cafe in Fish It Game of Roblox Classic Event Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!